G. Jyoti Reddy, Center Manager, Jain Toddlers, Thardban Branch. I welcome you all for this special program, DICE program, Developmental Display involving Achievers and Slow Learners. Let us start the DICE program. Now let us move on to the next question. Why are we not having more analytical and logical worksheets?
Shravan, pick green sketch. Find the way through this aeroplane. Start from starting point. Very good, Shravan. Maktika, pick red sketch. Circle the activities you like to do in summer and tick the activities you like to do in rainy.
Most of the parents are under the impression that we have very less number of analytical and logical based worksheets. If you see this is a part of our worksheet which has been projected over here and done by the child, and this is yet another one which is again a part of our workbook, and this is also been done by the students. In fact, for every concept we have 3 to 4 logical and analytical based worksheets. And beyond that, why cannot we have is the answer that I am going to give you. When I have to give the reasoning why we are not giving more number of logical and analytical based worksheets at UKG level or even before that, I need to show you the scientific reason behind this. In fact, any child would be learning by doing between 0 to 7 years. Now, the early childhood curriculum is taking care of 5-year-old children only. Up to 5-year-old children when we are handling, obviously we need to focus more on the activities because the learning will be done only by doing. And if I give more thinking based worksheets, the child may not be able to really do it because it gives lot of pressure. It brings lot of pressure on the child. Right, I do agree that any curriculum for that matter has to focus on 3 learning domains. One is the cognitive domain, and the second one is the psychomotor domain, and the third one is the affective domain, right? And you have seen the psychomotor domain activities, and you also have seen the affective domain activities through the pre-nursery children activities. And at the same time, the cognitive skills are also being taken care. But at the same time, what will happen is, if the child has to think logically and analytically, which is called the higher order thinking skills, it brings lot of pressure on the child. So you may be wondering, what is this higher order thinking skill? So now I would like to talk to you about the Bloom's taxonomy. As per Bloom's taxonomy, there are 7 levels of skills. The first and the basic one is knowledge acquisition. And the second one is the understanding. The third one is the skill. The fourth one is the application skill. The fifth one is the analytical skill. The sixth one is the synthesizing skill. The seventh one is the evaluation skill. So, knowledge, understanding and skill is considered as lower order thinking skills, which is the most basic skills which have to be taught below 7 years. Knowledge acquisition has to happen, and through which the comprehending ability has to be developed, and over a period of time, from knowledge and understanding, the child will be able to develop the writing skill. So only these 3 skills are required at the early childhood education. That is the only reason why we are not giving more and more logical based and analytical based worksheets. Other than that, we do not want to bring much pressure on the children at all.